These 5 AI tools can literally make you money online, even if you're a complete beginner. And the crazy part? Most of them are completely free. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last tool is the most powerful one. Welcome to AI Hustle Lab, where we explore the best AI tools to help you make money and work smarter. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today, even with zero experience. The first tool is Chat GPT. This AI can help you write content, create business ideas, scripts, emails, basically anything. You can use it to start freelancing, write blog posts, or even create YouTube scripts like this one. Many people are already making money by offering writing services using this tool. Next is Canva AI. This tool helps you design logos, thumbnails, social media posts, and more. You can use it to create YouTube thumbnails for clients or sell designs online. Even beginners can make professional designs in minutes. The third tool is CapCut AI. It's perfect for editing videos automatically. You can create TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, or even full videos like this. Many creators are using this to grow pages and earn money through content. Number 4 is 11 Labs. This tool generates realistic AI voices. You can use it for YouTube automation, audiobooks, or voiceover services. Instead of recording your voice, the AI does it for you and it sounds natural. Now, the most powerful one, Mid. This tool creates amazing images using AI. You can sell designs, create digital art, or even start a print-on-demand business. Some people are making thousands just by selling AI-generated images. So those are 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today to make money online. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Hustle Lab for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments, which tool are you going to try first?